Welcome to Sage CRM for Media. Today in this video, we are going to take a look at the pain areas and problems and their possible solution and how and why our CRM solution fits for media houses. Before we start, please allow me to introduce our organization, Providian. We are a specialized CRM consulting firm and a market leader in CRM. We were founded in 2000. We have around 14 plus years of CRM expertise and we have 350 plus CRM customers. We have over 30 plus vertical solutions in CRM. Over the many years of expertise, we have created successful CRM strategy for our clients and we serve some of the largest global corporates. I would also like to give you a brief about what Sage CRM is. Sage CRM is an award-winning, easy-to-use and quick-to-deploy CRM software. It can be deployed on-premise or can be hosted on cloud. It delivers a rapid return on investment, so you see a positive impact on your business straight away. It can be easily customized and integrated into your business processes, giving you a complete view of your customers across the business. Sage CRM for Media has been specifically designed for all the three segments of media business. Broadcasting, that is TV and radio. Print, that is newspaper, magazines and journals. And new media, that is online. As you log in into Sage CRM, you see powerful and very interactive dashboards where the user has all the key pieces of information in a summary view, by which you can gauge the overall performance of your business, such as what brands you have represented so far, status of your opportunities, various release orders, and so on. Now we are going to start with customer database management, wherein you can have a central database of all your customers and agencies. You can manage your clients or direct clients and agency as well. It enables sales personnel to better manage the complex two-way sellings to customers and their agencies. You can manage the direct contacts of your customers. Along with the contacts of agencies. Brand management module facilitates you to do brand-based selling. And allows you to link it to agencies. And contacts of your customer and agencies as well. You can also have a look at the release orders generated for brand advertisement. The proposal module enables automatic generation of personalized proposals from a central rate card to eliminate errors and discrepancies. Release orders or PO can be generated for effective sales management for ads. It enables central management of complex rate cards with various options such as time band and prime band. Salespeople can manage opportunities for ad sales. And track their status from start to final closure. A view of ads executed for a customer is also available. It also brings competition and ads loss information from TAM, RAM, Aircheck, ADX, and other rating services into the system in a comprehensive manner and analyzes it automatically to create the missed client reports. Due to integration with programming and broadcast systems, it offers management with an integrated view of all the operations. It can also be easily integrated with other backend systems such as SAP, inventory, and printing software. This video has given you a glimpse of how a media house can benefit from our offering. Thanks for watching. Should you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.